Okay, so yesterday we are discussing about page layouts, record types, right? This kind of things or field dependencies. Today we will see like what is formula. If you have seen in your object, there is a particular field type known as formula. So what is formula? Formula means that will be calculated automatically. As a user, you will not be able to enter there something. Okay, but that value there will be appearing automatically. Click new. This is the one formula. Okay, so we'll see what is formula. Like if you have opened any training record, like in our training record, we have the course start date and course end date. Now, I want to calculate the duration automatically. Or suppose you are giving some discount and course has some course fee, and I want to calculate the net price. Okay, like the start date, end date, I want to get the difference, and I will be calculating the duration. And if the course fee is given and discount is given, I want to calculate the net price. Okay, so these things will be calculated automatically. As a user, I should not be able to enter any value there. So that's what I'm clicking on formula. Next, suppose first field I am creating duration. And duration is of type of number, right? Duration of type number, giving here 0 as decimal places. Okay. And how we will be calculating the duration? First of all, I'm clicking on advanced formula. Then from here, I have to choose the field. Okay, insert field, and I'm choosing under my training, I'm choosing course end date, insert operator, subtract, again course start date. That is the duration of my course end date minus course start date, right? And you can check syntax here. So if everything is fine, no error will be there. Okay, now how you want to treat your blank fields? Currently, our description, duration, it is a number type field. So obviously, I'll be choosing the blank field as 0. Okay, if it was returning on text, then I would have returned blank. But for now, as it is a number, I'm choosing 0. Next, visible. Next, 7 new. Again, I'm creating another formula to calculate my net price. It is also a number type of field where the options, let's give it as it is. Next, and here in the advanced formula, I'm first of all choosing how should I calculate my net price. First of all, course fee, subtract course fee multiplied with course fee multiplied with discount. Where is it? Discount, this one. Simply insert. That means course fee multiplied with discount, I'll be subtracting the value from my course fee. Okay. That's how I'll be calculating my net price. Here also return type is blank field as 0. Next. Visible. Next. Save. Okay, so 2 fields I have created. Let's check these fields are visible on the training layout or the technical layout or not. Price is there. Here. Duration is also there. Okay, then let's create one training. Technical, suppose I'm choosing. Yeah, let's take course fee I'm giving 20, discount I'm giving 20. So 20 plus 20 means I'm giving a discount of 4,000. 4,000. Let's choose any value. Okay, see the net price is calculated automatically, right? It is 16,000, giving 20% discount out of the course fee, and see it is not editable. Okay, and here see the duration field is coming blank. Why? Because start date and end date not given. Now suppose I am giving the start date 24th, end date suppose I am giving January 13th and saving the record. So see, end date minus start date. That is the duration of 20 days. Okay, that's how the formulas are evaluated. Got it? Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Then, okay, we are creating this one. Okay, 16,020. Now, if you have seen, like in the formula field, so many functions are there. Before creating anything, we will know about those functions and we'll see some of the examples. Like there, a lot of functions are there. ABS, admons. I mean, not every functions are used, but I will try to cover almost every functions. Those are important. Okay. So I'll be going with the functions one by one by one. Like first function that is very useful function, that is if. It is a function that you may have to use to construct a formula. Okay. And here if takes some parameters, like first parameter is condition. If the condition satisfies, then only the value if true, and if the condition does not satisfy, then value if false. Like I am giving if condition, I am giving if 2 greater than 3. If this condition satisfies, okay, I want to take the output as 1, else 0. So what should be my output? 2 is less than 3. 2 cannot be greater than 3. That statement or that condition is false. So false means the second value you have to take. So output will be 0. Now if you are checking on condition, suppose if 5 greater than 3. And here, yes, obviously 5 is greater than 3. So that means this condition is true. So if the condition is true, you have to take the first value. Like here the first value is 1. So 1 will be your output. Okay. Now that is a very simple example using if. But what is the real time example? Now, suppose I want to construct one formula. Okay. I'm giving one field as salary. Suppose salary is a field. If salary is 5,000, bonus is 5%. If salary is 7,500, bonus is suppose 10%. And if salary is 10,000, bonus is 15%. So you have to create the field bonus, that is a formula type field. And what is the return type of the bonus? Bonus is a field which is a return type of having percent, because you are giving in percent, right? So the return type of the bonus will be percent. Now I have to construct the formula. So first of all, I will be checking the condition. If salary is a field, I can insert the salary field. I'm checking if salary is greater than equals to 5,000, and this is the and symbol. Okay, and means both condition has to be satisfied, and salary less than 7,500. Okay, then I want to give the bonus of 0.05. Else I'm for now I'm not giving any value. Suppose I'm giving 0. So what is the condition? If the salary field value that that belongs to the range of 5,000 to 7,500, if this condition satisfies, then what will be the output? Output will be 0.05 or 5%. If this condition is not matching, so where will it go? We'll go to the second value, that is this one. Here we will be checking another condition. The next condition will be checking if the salary is 7,500, we have to give bonus of 10,000. There I'll be constructing another formula or another if. Here I am checking if salary is greater than equals to 7,500, and then salary is less than 10,000. I'm giving a bonus of 0.10, else I'm not doing anything. So here, suppose this condition is not, suppose it is matching. Suppose the salary is 6,000. So that belongs to this range. It is greater than 5,000 as well as it is less than 7,500. So my output is 0.05. Now suppose the salary is 8,000. So it does not belongs to this range. 8,000 is not, greater than 5,000, but not less than 7,500. That means which will be, this condition is not meeting, this condition is not met, it will go to the false value. False value, what you are doing here? You are again checking on condition. And here you are checking if the salary is greater than 7,500. Yes, 8,000 is greater than that, and it is also less than 10,000. That means what should be your output? Output should be 0.10 or 10%. Then if this condition is not matching, suppose the salary is 12,000 now, that means this condition is also not matching. So again I will go to the false and I will check the next condition. If salary is greater than 10,000, I am giving a bonus of 0.15, else 0. Okay. Now if
Greater
user
than
is
equal
having,
to, right?
sorry,
Salary is greater than or equal to 10,000, right?
yes, correct, correct. So then we will be, if salary is now suppose 12,000. Okay, so obviously 12,000 does not belongs to this range, right? So we have to move to the false condition, which is the false condition. Here, this one. And again here we are checking on condition. The 12,000 is not less than 10,000. It is greater than 7,500, but it is not less than that. It means true value again not taken. We'll move to the again false condition, and false what we are checking. Yes, 12,000 is greater than 10,000. That means the value is 0.15. Now suppose someone is providing 2,000 as salary. So 2,000 does not belongs to this range. I have to go to the false condition. Again, 2,000 does not belongs to this range. Right. So again have to go to the false condition. Right. Then here also salary 2,000 greater than 10,000. That is not the true case. It means what should be my output? My output should be 0. So this is a kind of nested if, a complex requirement that you have to follow. Is it clear? Hello?
This is clear, but where do we use this actually?
In the same, like suppose you have to
Um,
construct this bonus field. Like, okay, I'm displaying one thing. Actually, these fields are not relevant to the training object. Still, I'm showing no issues. Like here, I'm constructing one field. Let's take that is of currency. Here, I'm giving salary. Next, visible. Next, 7 new. Here, after salary, I'm considering formula. Based on my salary, my formula will be determined. The my bonus will be determined. So I'm constructing bonus also. And bonus return type is a percent. So I'm choosing percent. And here, clicking on next. Okay, so here you have to construct the formula. Here, how to construct the formula? From the functions, you have to choose the function. If here you have to give the logical test. What is the logical test? If salary, under training we have the salary field. Let's found out salary. If salary is greater than what? Greater than 5,000. Greater than equals to 5,000. And then, just a second, institute is calling. Okay, now suppose the salary is less than 7,500. So what should be your expected value? 0.05. If it is false, what you have to do? You have to again construct the if condition. So again do it here. Logical test, what will be the logical test? Here if it is less than 7,500, And if it is less than 10,000, then what should be your output? Output should be 0.10. If it is not, then again you have to construct the formula. His value is 0.15. If it is true, if it is false, it is only 0. And here the conditions will be if it is greater than 10,000. This way you have to construct the formula. Got it? Let's check syntax. Okay, no error is there. Marking blank field as 0. Next. Next. Save. Close the field. Salary. Now suppose I am adding salary here. 20,000. So based on my 20,000, what should be my bonus? 15%. Check bonus is 15%. If you make the salary as 2,500, what should be your bonus? 0%. Check. It is 0. If it is in between the range, suppose it is 8,000, what should be your salary? What should be your bonus? 10%. Check. Okay. This way you have to construct the formula. Got it?
Yes.
And is it a programmatic approach?
No, it is a admin approach.
Okay. You said only for admin, the mouse is required, no need of any keyboard things, right?
No. Keyboard means like obviously you have to write something, right? Obviously you are writing some object name. That means also you have to write, but no
Okay.
logic is required.
Acha, okay.
Mostly about like point and click and drag and drop only. That's the purpose of admin.
Okay.
This kind of small logics you have to write.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Now I'm talking only about the functions. Okay, a lot of functions are there. Then one kind of function is there, that is blank. It is used to check a particular field is blank or not. It returns true if field is blank. It will return false if the field is not blank. Like here, suppose I want to check the website is blank or not. And based on that, suppose I want to show another kind of field. So what I will check is blank website. Is blank, here I will pass website. Okay, and based on that, I will be taking out something. Like let's take, suppose by using this is blank, I am checking if suppose salary is provided. Okay, based on my salary, I want to display one salary description field. Okay, and what I will do, I will check here by using if. First of all, I will check is blank salary. If the salary field is blank, then I am giving the output salary not provided, else I will be showing salary provided. If this condition is true, when it will be true? If the salary field is blank, user has not entered any data, then only my output will be salary not provided. Okay, otherwise it will be salary provided. Got it? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah. Same way we are having is null. Is null is also same thing, but there is only one difference. What is the difference? Like is null function is only applicable to your number type field, maybe currency, maybe number, maybe percent. But is blank is applicable to your number type fields as well as text type fields. Like where you can check for website. Website is not a number, it is a text, right? So I can use my is blank on my website, but I cannot use my is null on website. I cannot use. But for salary, I can use is null because the salary is a number type field. Okay, there is the difference between is blank and is null. Then small logical conditions you have to know, like there is not function. So what this not function does, like the same condition I'm having, okay, this will just reverse the outcome. Like here I'm having, I'm just wrapping the condition with not. What I'm doing, you'll be able to understand. Like here I'm checking if the particular salary field is blank. Okay, so what should be my output? Is blank salary should be true. But this not will make it to false. It will just reverse the statement. Suppose user is typing the salary. That means is blank salary is false. Right? But as I am using not, that false will become to true. So if it is true, that means what? Salary provided. If it is not true, then salary not provided. So not will just reverse the statement or reverse the outcome of the logic. If it is true, it will make it false. If it is false, it will make it true. Got it? Now we are having some of the more logical operations. Then we will be discussing about the mathematical functions and like those things you have already covered in your 8th or 9th sessions standard. Now we are having or condition 1, condition 2, condition 3, then dot. Okay, the outcome of this or condition, okay, or this or function will become true when every condition, like in the if you are having only one condition, inside of or you can check multiple conditions. Okay, so inside of the or, suppose you are having three conditions. So if all the conditions are matching, I mean if only one condition is matching, okay, so the outcome will be true. If any conditions are not matching, then only the outcome will be false. No conditions are matching. Let's take one example. Like I am having salary field, okay, and I'm having experience field. I'm having salary field as well as experience field. And I want if my salary greater than 25,000 and sorry, or experience is greater than 10 years. Then only I'll be providing the bonus. Or suppose then only suppose provide the bonus of 10%, else zero. That is the condition suppose. So how to construct the formula? Again use if here I'm checking or, because here we have to check either our salary has to be greater than 25,000 or our experience has to be greater than 10 years. Okay, so here I'm writing if, then salary, I mean inside of or salary salary greater than 25,000, comma, experience greater than 10 years. If any condition is matching, the outcome will be true. To be my output 0.10 or else it will be 0. Now suppose user is typing salary as 30,000, but experience he is mentioning only 5 years. So what should be your bonus? Bonus should be 0.10.
0.10.
Yes, if your salary is suppose 10,000 only and your experience is 12 years, what should be the output? 0.10.
0.10.
Yes, but if your salary is let's take 12,000 as well as your experience is only 6 years, your output will be 0. That is the OR function. Similarly, we have AND function. Here both conditions has to meet. And my salary has to be greater than 25,000 as well as my experience has to be greater than 10 years. Okay. Now suppose the salary is 30,000 but experience is less than 10 years. That means 5 years. So here if any conditions is not matching, output will be false. Here we are putting 30,000 as salary. So first condition is matching, right? This condition. But second condition not matching because experience is 5 years. That means my output should be 0. I mean, what is the value you are providing in the false? Then suppose you are providing salary as less than 10,000, though your experience is greater than 10 years. I mean, second condition is met. So here, what should be the output? Output should be false. So if it is false, means what? Second value, again 0. Now suppose your salary is, let's take it is 52,000, where your experience is 16 years. Here salary is greater than 25,000 as well as experience is greater than 10 years. That means both conditions are met. That means our output will be 10%. Got it? Clear or not?
Yes, yes.
Everyone?
Yes, yes.
Now we'll be moving to the mathematical functions. Like I am having, these are small functions like SQRT. That gives you a square root of a number. Like square root of 25 is 5. Okay. Then suppose we are having absolute value of a number. Like I am passing -5. So ABS -5 will return me only 5. Absolute value of a number, not no sign is there. That means that is itself a positive number if no sign is there. Then we are having ceiling. CEILING. Suppose I am writing 6.36 here. Ceiling will take the next greater integer only. What is the next integer after 6.36? 7. If you are writing floor, same value, suppose 6.36, your output floor means like you can assume the same thing as your home ceiling. Ceiling is at your top and floor is above, below you. So ceiling means next integer and floor means before integer. What is the before integer value of 6.36? 6. Right? Because 6 is the previous integer. Then we have some of the more functions like round. Like I'm having one number 96. This is the number. And I'm mentioning how many digits you want to take after decimal point. Like I want to take only 3 digits. So what should be my output? 3.965. If you want to take only 1 digit, so what should be your output? 3.9. If you want to take only 2 digit, what will be the output? 3.96. Okay, this is the digit and how many digits you want to take after decimal points that you have to mention after the comma. And after round, I am having some of the more fields. Let's take that is number. Is number will check a particular value is convertible to the number or not. Likewise, is number, obviously by the function you can easily understand. It will check a particular thing is a variable is a number or not. A particular field is a number or not. But there is a twist. Like I'm having here on string, like ABC. So obviously it is not a number. So output should be false. But if I am writing 5, you can write here also. This way also you can write 5. Obviously it is true. But whenever you are using one string means one text type value, alphanumeric characters, where at the start and at the end, this quotation has to be there. Okay. So if anywhere you are seeing this quotation, that means that is a string value. Like I am writing here number 5. Okay. But it is encoded with this string. That means it is not a number anymore. It is a string value. Okay. But your is number will convert the inner value into it will try to convert the inner value into a number. And here, this is a string type, this is a string 5, but it is convertible to a number ABC you cannot convert to a number, but you can convert this string 5 into a number. That's why it will return you true. Okay. Then we have some kind of text type functions. Like if you want to make any uppercase characters, like here I'm passing A, B, C, D, E. So it will make everything into uppercase, like A, B, C, D, E. Then we have lower to make everything in lowercase characters, like what I'm writing A, B, C, D, E. Will make everything to lowercase A, B, C, D, E. Then we have like functions like contains, their text, literal, and compare text. What is the meaning? It will check the particular sentence has that particular word or not. Like way I am having like contains, and here I am having field as, let's take description, and I want to check if the description field contains the word president. Okay, if it is concerning, if it contains the word president, it will become true. And suppose I am having the description as, suppose in the description field you are having the value as the president of India. So what should be your output? Output should be true. Why? Because this particular description field contains the word president. That is the meaning of having contains. But if you see the same thing with another function is there, that is known as begins. Begins is little bit different. It will check that particular field is getting started with the word or not. Okay. Here the outcome will be false. Same thing I am checking by using begins. But why it is false? Because the description field is not getting started with the word president. It is not getting started with the word president. Here what is the first word? First word is the. Second word is president. Okay, that's why it is false. But if you write here president of India only, then it will become true. These are some of the text type functions. Then a lot of other functions are also there. Like we are having includes. What is the use of this one? Here it takes only multi-select pick list. Okay, and which value you want to check. Like I am checking includes, suppose educational requirement. That is the field we have created. And I want to check this particular educational requirement contains the value MS or not. If it is containing, that will return true. If it is not containing, that will return false. Okay. Is it clear? Hello?
Yes, it's clear.
Now some of the more functions are there that you should be aware about. That is today function. So today function will always return today's date. What is the today's date? 23rd December. And in Salesforce, it is always in MMDDYYYY, not DDMM. So first of all, month. So that is 12. Then 23rd, that means 23rd. Then what is the year? 2021. Then we are having now. So now we'll give you the current date time. So it is 23rd of December. And what is the time now? 8:47 p.m. It is the now. It will give you current date time, not only the date. Today gives you only date. Okay. Now suppose you want to create a date out of any particular value. For that you have date function. Here you can pass y, then comma comma dd. Like I am passing here date. There as a values I am passing like 2000. Month I am passing 05, that means May. Date I am passing, let's take, is 12. So what will be the actual date? Date will be 05 05 12 2000. Okay. You can create the date by having the values. Now, if you want to take out only the day from out of a given date, like I'm having day of date of like 2000 05 12. So your output will be what? The day. What is the day? 12. If you are using day on today, this is the today's day, 23rd December. Right? So 23. Same way, same things are also there for month and year. For month and year. Likewise, we want to take out the month. So today's month is what? December, that means 12. Here, what is the month? Month is May or 05. So that will be the output. For year, what is the year here? Here it is 2000. But in today, what is the year? 2021. These are the small functions you have to use. Okay. Now another function is very important in the date kind of format, that is date value. Okay. So date value converts the date time format into a date format value. Okay. It converts date time value into a date format. Like I am having here date value and I am passing here now. So now, as you are already aware about, now gives you date along with time. So if you convert by using date value, it will return you today. Only the date it will return you. Date value will take out the time from the particular variable, and it will give you only the date. Okay. Suppose, I mean, where it is useful? Like you are having end date, it is a date value, I mean date format field, while start date, it is in a date time, when it is in date time format. So you cannot subtract your date time value from a date value. You have to convert the date time into a date first of all. So how can you do the subtract? End date minus date value start date underscore C. This way you can subtract the value. Because here in the start date, you are having the date along with time. So you have to convert the date time into a date first by using this date value function. Got it? Is it clear?
Yes.
Now another two important functions are there. Those are also very important functions. That is pick val. Okay, it is only applicable to your pick list values. Pick list field name. Here, which value you want to check. Like there is a pick list. Let's take. It is. Suppose I want to create one field called is business. That is a checkbox type of field. Checkbox means either it has to be true or it has to be false. Okay, if you check that one, that means that is true. If it is you are not checking that one, that means that is false. Okay, based on my loan type. Suppose loan type is a pick list type field. Loan type where you are having different values. Let's take business, then home, then personal, then you are having education. Okay, It is a pick list type field, a drop down. And inside of the drop down, you are having these four values. Now, if user is choosing business as loan type, the is business checkbox will be checked. How to do? First of all, if condition, there check the loan type. How to check the value of the loan type? By using this isPickVal function. Like I am using isPickVal, there I am passing this loan type. There is the field name. And what is the value? Value, if it is business, then my condition, I mean the output will be true, else output will be false. That is the condition I have made. If user is choosing business as a loan type from the top down, then automatically the output or the automatically this checkbox will be checked. If user is choosing any other value from this drop down loan type other than your business, suppose he is choosing home, personal, or education, this is business checkbox will be false or it will not be checked. Got it? Then I'm having the last function. I mean, these are all the main important functions you have to aware about. Okay, I'll be uploading one document in the drive that will be having some explained details of everything. Okay, here in case is another function that checks for expression, and if that expression is having different values, and for different values you want to give different result, for that we can have that one. If to understand this one, let's take one scenario. Let's take I have loan type. Based on my loan type, I have installment. Here the condition is if the loan type is business, installment is 15. If the loan type is home, installment is, let's take 12. If it is personal, let's take installment is 5. And if it is education, installment, let's take it is 8. Based on that, based on my loan type, I have to create the installment. So here for each and individual new value, if our loan type is having different value, for that I am having different installments. Then only our case function is helpful. If for different value, I have to get different output, different result. How to construct the field? First of all, case. Then as it is a pick list type of field, you can ignore that one also. Okay, you don't have to bother about. You can directly insert the field. Let's take it is loan type. Here, suppose the business is, suppose the value is business. So what should be the output of installment? It should be 15. If it is home, what should be the output? 12. If it is personal, the output will be 5. If it is education, the output will be 8. And by default, if no conditions are matching, user is not choosing any value, then default value we are giving as 0. That's how we can create the formula. Okay, this is the formula we created for which installment. Installment is the actual formula for the field level, right? Is it clear?
Yes.
Any queries? If not, then I guess for today we can wrap up.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks everyone for joining. But I'm not getting like why people are delaying so much, and even some people are joining and just leaving the call.
Okay, once discuss in the group better.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Just please. I guess people are having problem regarding the timings. Okay, okay. And another thing, like tomorrow I'll not be able to take the session. Okay, so Friday and Saturday is also Christmas. So like from tomorrow till Sunday no sessions. Then from Monday we will continue as it is.
Okay.
In that time being, just practice whatever the fields I have discussed, explore by yourself. The functions explore by yourself, and try to create some new objects, new fields. Okay, the formulas that I have discussed, try to do that. What is page layout? What is record type? These things.
Bro.
Hello.
Bro, the record link is not available in group, bro.
No, no. Do you not having that particular drive link?
No, bro, it's not there. Will you provide?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It is already there.
Bro, we can see in
Already
the
recorded
group
sessions,
info.
documents, everything is there. Okay.
I
Let's do
think
one thing. Let's everyone just get added in this WhatsApp group. Check. I have sent in the chat window.
Okay, okay,
Everyone
brother.
just
Thank
get
you.
added in that group. It is for communication to everyone.
Banu, I've pinged the drive link here. You can see if you can access.
No, no, no. See, drive link you can access, but I want everyone to join in this WhatsApp group. In that WhatsApp group, everything is mentioned.
Okay.
Drive link or also like the
Meeting ID.
meeting link that you have to join every day.
Okay.
So, if possible, in the I guess you already are having in a group, right?
Ah, bro.
Yes, yes. So, I mean, in that group, also share this particular WhatsApp link, not drive link, and ask everyone to join in that group who are interested in this particular course.
Okay. Thank you, brother.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, but you text once for the timings such that all can attend the classes.
Yeah, yeah. I was thinking like, is morning 9 to 10 a.m. Is it okay for everyone?
Yeah, for me it's okay.
Even
Should be
it's
fine.
Yes. For Vamshidhar
yes, yes, it's okay for me too.
and Mohammed. Okay, let's discuss the timings. I was thinking like we can connect at Monday at morning. That's what like, but no one is joining. Then how can we discuss? Like, we are taking one decision out of only four people.
Yes, yes, yes. You better just ping once in the group regarding this.
Yeah, yeah, obviously. And I guess Mohammed and Bhanu, you are not in the WhatsApp group. Kindly join over that. Just note down
Yeah,
the WhatsApp link.
okay, okay. Bro, I'm there in WhatsApp group, bro.
Bano is there.
Oh, you are already there, right?
Ah, yeah, bro.
Yeah, so in the group description, I have already mentioned the drive link. Okay. Check the
Okay,
group description. There, the meeting link as well as the drive link is there.
okay, okay, brother.
Okay, so anytime if you feel to see the videos from there only, you can directly see the videos.
Okay, brother. Thank
Yeah,
you.
yeah, yeah. Thanks everyone for joining today. Let's wrap up.
Okay, bye.